Hello, this is Paul from Black Hawk Distribution, and today we're just going to go through how to connect your Intager Smartbox to your computer. So first of all, the Smartbox is giving off its own Wi-Fi signal, so first of all we have to find that on our network. So my network thing is down here, so I'm just going to connect onto that, find it on your list, and there's mine, IGN3 SB1118. Yours will be a different number there because they are unique, but you'll find it's an IGM3. Just connect on it, press connect, and yours initially will ask you for a security code, and that security code is Intager with a capital I, so INTAGER 2019. Put it into the box and just wait for it to find it. It'll just take a couple of seconds. And while this is happening, I'll just explain that the IGM is giving away a Wi-Fi signal, but it's not actually connected to the internet, although it can be at times. It's not connecting to the outside web at the moment. It says no internet, that's fine. As I say, we're not actually connecting to the internet, we're just connecting securely to that Smartbox. So we're now connected. So now we need to go onto our web browser, whatever you use. And then onto the web browser, first instance, you need to input the IP address, which is 192.168.42.1/3000 and press enter. And there we are. We are now looking at the inside, if you like, of the Smartbox. The Smartbox gives itself its own little website, if you like, without connecting to any internet. So we're just literally looking on the inside of that Smartbox now. Now we've got home, which is literally just advertisements and what's going on within Intager itself. We've then got sessions. We've got game configuration. Control will work once we've done the game configuration. Statistics, once we've got some games on there, and that will give you all the games you've played there and how everyone's done, so you can recall them at any time. And then my Smartbox. For first instance, we're just going to have a look at my Smartbox. And inside there, this is telling me everything about my Smartbox. So that's the number. 9 devices are connected to it, so that's all my taggers at the moment. One's missing for some reason. We'll have a look at it in a minute. And it's also connected to the Wi-Fi as well. The software there, that is the latest software. If we needed to update the software, we just click there. That will highlight an orange, and then all you do is press that, and it will download the update straight away for you. So that's how we get into it. The next one will be how we load the games up. Thank you for listening.